Hey guys, welcome back to another video where I'll be talking about the 10x income system by TabbyD and what it can do for you. So this is a new affiliate program that just came out, as I might have mentioned in previous videos, guys. TabbyD is pretty well known in the online industry now. She's been marketing for about 5 years, has already helped over 20,000 people, guys, succeed online and actually get life-changing results, guys. And I understand some of you might be skeptical about moving forward with this. Maybe you've heard of it before, maybe you haven't. Maybe you're new to affiliate marketing, maybe you're not. But for any of you who are skeptical about trying this out, guys, check this out. 365-day money back guarantee. Let me explain why she offers this. She offers this because she is so confident that you will succeed that if by any chance you don't, you're gonna get all your money back. You're gonna get everything you put in back, just like that. No questions asked. Right there. All right. And of course, there are a few ways you can promote this once you are an affiliate. You can promote it organically, or you can actually use her paid traffic strategies, um, which is why she says this right here, autopilot traffic daily, guys, because you can actually get some of her traffic packages that do cost a little bit of money, guys, but I actually mainly promote organically at the moment. But I'm actually getting one of those pretty soon, and I'm going to let you know all how it goes once I do, guys, because I've heard really good things about these traffic packages as well. So I'm definitely going to get one and try it out myself very, very shortly. But I can't speak too much about her traffic packages as of right now because I haven't used them myself, guys. And I want to be as real with you guys as possible. And I'm not going to say yes to something that I haven't even tried out, guys. So I would not be promoting or recommending anything that I haven't tried or experienced myself, guys, because I want to give you my honest opinion, guys, about everything I do here and keep everything very, very real. Now, this is not a free affiliate program, guys. It's $2.97, like I might have mentioned earlier. But there's a 365-day money back guarantee. I'm keeping links down below in the description for any of you who want to move forward with this and get on this page and check out, guys, because this limited time offer will not last long, guys. There are people who are getting results left and right with this program in just a few days, guys, or maybe a week. So it's definitely something worth checking out. And hey, worst case scenario, which I'm sure it won't come to this, guys. 365-day money back guarantee. Everything. No questions asked. Just like that. All right, guys? So maybe that's a little incentive for some of you who are kind of skeptical right now and thinking about it. So I thought I would just go ahead and share that. I might have mentioned that in previous videos, guys, but I'm mentioning it and repeating it myself over and over again because this will not last long. Okay, guys? Like she could literally change this offer tomorrow. All right, guys, and you'll miss out on this. So I hope this information was helpful, guys. Like I mentioned, links below in the description, guys, for any of you who want to check out more about this, guys, and check out this page for yourself and actually move forward with it. If you think this is right for you, of course. So if you find this information helpful in any way, be sure to comment, leave a like, guys. I can't tell you how much I appreciate your support for supporting this new YouTube channel of mine. And stay tuned for future content, guys. I definitely appreciate anyone who was watching today, guys. And keep at it, and you will succeed. All right, later.